If you've been shopping for a home in Glenview and you keep circling that $800,000 number, this video is going to clear up a lot of confusion because here's what nobody tells you. $800,000 in Glenview does not buy the one kind of home. It buys wildly different homes depending on what you're willing to trade. So today, we're not talking about vague average. We're looking at 3 homes that actually closed in Glenview this summer, all right around $800,000, and breaking down exactly what each buyer got, what they paid, and why one of these homes sold for over $100,000 above its asking price. By the end, you'll understand this market in a way that changes how you shop and how you write your offer. So let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, this is this place for real, honest information about living on Chicago's North Shore. No hype, no fluff, just the numbers as they actually are. This channel is run by the Caroline Gow team based in Northbrook, Illinois. 24 years helping families buy, sell, and relocate all across the North Shore. If you get value out of this, do the team a quick favor and hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. Now, let's talk about what's really happening in Glenview. Before the 3 homes, you need the lay of the land. As of this summer, the average single family home in Glenview is selling for right around $860,000. Up more than 10% compared to a year ago, 10% in a single year. So when you walk into this market with $800,000, understand where that places you. You are not a luxury buyer in Glenview. You're sitting just below the average price. You're a mainstream buyer competing for mainstream homes. And the middle of this market is exactly where the competition is the fiercest. Here's why. Inventory is tight. At last count, there were only around 69 single-family homes actively for sale in all of Glenview, and that's down more than 10% from a year ago. Fewer homes, more buyers chasing them. And when that happens, sellers get leverage. The proof is in what homes actually close for. On average, Glenview sellers are getting a little over 101% of their final list price. On average, homes are selling for more than asking, not just the hot ones, the average one. So if you're going in expecting to negotiate a seller down off the price, you need to recalibrate, because in a lot of these deals, buyers are competing up, not negotiating down. Now, market time has ticked up a bit to around 35 days on average, but don't let that fool you into thinking this is a slow market. 35 days is still fast, and that average includes the overpriced homes that drag it up. The well-priced homes move quickly, and the sharpest ones draw multiple offers. So let's look at these 3 closings and see how it plays out. Let's start with the first home on Henley Street, right near downtown Glenview. It listed for $799,000 and it sold for exactly that, right at the list price. Here's what that money bought. A classic brick Cape Cod, originally from the 1920s, beautifully rehabbed. 4 bedrooms plus another in the basement, 3 full baths, and a lot of living space. Around 2,400 square feet above grade, but with the finished lower level, you're looking at over 4,000 square feet of total finished space. And the finishes are serious. Granite countertops, Wolf appliances, a sub-zero fridge, 3-season room with a gas stove overlooking the backyard, mature landscaping, a real 50 by 173 foot lot, and you're steps away from the Metro, the library, the parks, coffee shops, the heart of downtown Glenview. This home was turnkey, priced right, and it sold at full value. When a home is dialed in from day one, that's what happened. Now the second home on Burnham Court, tucked at the end of a private cul-de-sac. It also listed at $799,000 and it sold for $810,000, $11,000 over ask. This is a 1980s Colonial, right around 3,000 square, 4 bedrooms, and it has features the first home didn't. 3 fireplaces, a walkout basement, and a genuinely one-of-a-kind backyard. Landscaped over decades with a babbling brook, stone pathways, water features, a big hardwood deck with a remote-controlled canopy, a special property. Here's what's worth understanding though. This home was owned by the same family for over 40 years. The major systems were updated, the roof, the boiler, the air conditioning, but the kitchen and baths were essentially original. Ready for your vision, as the listing put it. So this buyer got a bigger home on an extraordinary lot, and they're bringing their own cosmetic updates on their own timeline. And notice, even as a home that wants some updating, it's still sold over ask. That's how tight this market is. And now the third home on Culver Lane, also near downtown Glenview. Walk to Johns Park and the Metro. This one did something remarkable. It listed at $699,000 and it sold for $800,000 and $3,000. Do the math. That's $104,000 over 100 grand above list price. Now, your first instinct might be that this is the biggest, fanciest home of the three. It was not. It was the smallest. A ranch around 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So how did the smallest home sell for $100,000 over ask? Here's the answer, and it's the single most important thing in this video. This ranch was fully remodeled just a few years ago. Crisp white kitchen, stainless appliances, hardwood floors throughout, a first floor primary suite, a family room addition with custom built-in, turnkey, move-in ready, zero work required. And it was priced at $699, which in a market where average homes sell near $860 was sharp. Aggressive. And when you take a beautifully updated move-in ready home in a walkable downtown location and price it aggressively in a low inventory market, you don't get one buyer. This home had multiple offers. The listing agent called for highest and best. It was a stampede, and buyers competed each other up by more than $100,000 over list. So let's put the three side by side, because together they tell you exactly how Glenview works right now. Henley Street, turnkey and beautiful, sold right at list at $799. Burnham Court, bigger and on a special lot, but with original kitchen and bath, sold over list at $810 to a buyer ready to make it their own. And Culver Lane, the smallest home but fully remodeled and sharply priced, sold $104,000 over asking in a multiple offer war. 3 homes, all landing right around $800,000. And here's the key point. All 3 sold at or above their asking price. None of these was a soft sale. The difference between them isn't that one was a better deal than another. It's that each one attracted a different kind of buyer, depending on the condition, size, and location. What does that tell you as a buyer? A few things. First, in Glenview right now, the list price is not, especially on sharp, well-presented homes, the list price is a starting line, not a finish line. If you see a beautifully updated Glenview home priced a little below where you'd expect, do not assume that's a number you can talk down. That's often strategic, and it's designed to create exactly the bidding war it creates. Second, condition drives who shows up. A turnkey home draws the widest pool of buyers and the most competition. A home that wants updating draws buyers who can see the potential. And in this market, even those homes are selling over ask. Third, size is not the same as value. The smallest home here sold for the biggest premium because it was the most move-in ready and the most sharply priced. And that's where the right team matters. Winning in a market like this isn't about being the highest number every time. It's about writing an offer a seller trusts, clean terms, the right earnest money, knowing when a contingency is worth keeping and when it's costing you the home, understanding what comparable homes have actually closed for, so you're competing with real information instead of emotion. The Caroline Gow team spends real time with buyers before they ever write an offer, so that when the right home comes up, and in this market it might come up and be gone fast, you're ready to move with confidence. So let's recap. The average Glenview single family home is now selling near $860,000, up over 10% over last year. Inventory is tight, only around 69 active homes. On average, sellers are getting over 101% of lists, meaning homes are selling above ask. And we looked at 3 real closings. Henley Street, turnkey, sold at list. Burnham Court, larger but wanting updates, sold over list to a buyer ready to renovate. And Culver Lane, the smallest but fully remodeled and sharply priced, sold $104,000 over ask. The takeaway, all 3 sold at or above list. Condition and pricing strategy shape who competes and how hard. And the list price is where the conversation starts, not where it ends. When you understand that going in, you stop guessing and start buying with confidence. If you're thinking about making a move in Glenview or anywhere on the North Shore, this is exactly what the Caroline Gow team does every single day. 24 years of guiding families through these exact decisions in these exact towns in a market that rewards buyers who knows what they're doing. Reach out through the link in the description and start a real conversation about your move, your budget, and your goals. No pressure. Just straight guidance from a team that knows this market inside and out. If this video helped you understand Glenview better, hit subscribe and tap that bell so you catch the next one. And if you know a family thinking about buying in Glenview or anywhere on the North Shore right now, share this with them. It might be exactly what they need to hear before they write an offer. I'm Caroline Gow with Real. See you on the next one.